So I'm really excited to talk about this new show I got going on. It's called Life Still. I started out as a traditional still life study, and it evolved into kind of what you're seeing here, this dog falling on this watermelon, which is actually my favorite painting in the series. There are other paintings that are completely different to this. There's only maybe two or three that are similar, but it's kind of, you see the evolution of the work study. But this one kind of ended somewhere in the middle, and I love the composition and the simplicity of this painting. But basically, many of the still life paintings have evolved into my own form of still life. Most still lifes have inanimate objects and not movement, and I got really bored with that, so most of the new still lifes that I have now have movement and animate objects, like the dog on the watermelon here.